Masyado yung loob ng ano.
Yung ibang ano boy, yung ibang wall. Para papunta sa amin
May naka-dismount na witchwork ka. Southeast.
Witchwork dismounted.
Nawala yung ano dito, bisdak sa tabi ng wall.
Kamas. OC na. Just W sa level. Come southwest.
Wala na bisdak dito.
Inside, on the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the wall. Come back now.
Lowing.
Come west, come southwest, follow me. Come southwest. Hold lang.
Puro bomb squad sila, ah.
Sige lang. Hold west, spread west. May bomb squad sila, boys. Ditang, if you have defensive, you smash. If you have defensive, smash.
Hindi ko sila mag-GGA, boss. Graveyard yung iba.
Sige lang.
Yung bomb squad.
They're looking to us, ah. Fred, if you don't have defensive, get out of the wall. Ito to.
Witchwork lowing.
Defense.
Brim.
Ano yung brim? Naka ano?
Hindi ko na
May
sila. Pero may brim sila.
8-3 brim.
8-3.
Tayo natin yun. 20% to.
Silipin ko yung pangalan.
On the mage, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on the mage.
Bumalik na sila southeast.
W's na ano.
2%.
Ida, okay na sila dyan.
Hindi, bumalik ako sa inyo. Sabog.
Kiss W's.
Clear the guards.
Clear the guards. Abong pa nito.
Pinakamalakas na pala. Ikaw ba pinakamalakas?
Ang ano?
Scout?
Sige.
Sino nag-start?
Pinakamalakas na GA.
Dito ko naman, dito ko GA ko yung kailangan ko GA.
Sige.
Okay.
Pabong din.
Ikaw na ito.
Ako na.
Pabong ng walls. DPS come here if you're done. We can engage on the mage. In the mage, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the mage east. Then pull back. Defensive tang idea. They're here now. Enemies here now. Northwest. Go northwest. Spread northwest, DPS. You have a lot of space northwest.
9 universe yung witchwork nila. Pangalan niya 9 universe. Yung brim si Sad 13. Si Sadi.
Defense.
Looking.
Careful bomba.
Hold on na yung GA nila.
Bobo naman nun. East side ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On east. Come back. Hindi ko nababato yung gago. Acid. Kamuhes. Kamasabit. Left ang looking nga. Careful ah. They might push us ha. They might push us. Kamasabit. Just kiss sa guard. Gago, wala pala akong gigan. Tapang ko. Hold west. Enemy looking to us ha. Left tank, ready to stop. Okay? We're gonna engage counter ha. Bomb again.
Nag-back.
Gago, ba't nag-back? Kamuhes.
Well, guards, back ka muna. Baka,
Kamuhes.
Bangke yung mga...
baka may-imbit tayo niyan.
Kamuhes.
May abalitan pa sa likod. Naka-dismount.
Come northeast.
Bam, nasa likod, bam.
Bumalik sila.
Nasa northwest, bam.
Come south. Bumalik na, okay na. I need ice doon, man.
Bam northwest.
West
Bam,
niya,
Bam northwest. Uy,
Kamuhes.
Fail.
Huli niyo yun.
Ito to.
West 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West now. Kamis na. I need left tongue on my back. Ah. Sino yung D-tanks ko doon? May scout doon? Nila men?
Scott,
Wala na ako doon.
Pa-scout muna ako, Inter.
Sige.
Hindi makapag-decide.
Yung abang, ha?
Wala sila.
Sino pa rin sa atin na? Ating yun, ah.
Wag nyo atakin yung wildcards.
Kamay sa ganun. Don't
Papunta,
hit the wildcards.
wildcards nandito sa southwest side. Ayun.
What left tank, ano, ha? Our backline, ha?
Aba punch here. Aba punch. Careful.
Mounted yung wildcards.
Mountain.
Ba't andito
Hindi
sa...
ko alam. Pabalik sila sa flag nila.
Namatay si Monoj. Awit talaga si Bar.
Gumagalaw na yung banner nila.
Okay, nagre-group na ulit yung wildcards.
May mga shit, mga ano sa
Luking
likod.
Long. Nag-disengage.
Daming mga cheater sa likod.
Mga rater lang yan.
Left tank sa likod. I need one left tank sa likod.
Baka maano tayo yan.
Left tank sa harapan. GA, just come here. GA, just come here. We need defensives here.
Dito, boss.
Busy Kong Lord. Party to, man. Party to ka.
Oy, labi ako mo ito.
Defense.
Patay.
In the front, Eddie died. Shit, why, Eddie?
Hit nyo para umalis sa ano natin.
Makapasok na yung ano.
Hindi
Wildcards.
dapat sila nandito eh.
May
Nasa loob yung wildcard.
ditang ako sa likod. May ditang ako sa likod.
Ata.
Wala.
Walang tao. Ang
balik
tao
na ako
galit
dyan.
yan.
Ginagawa nito wildcards na to, boss. Ba't
Oy,
nandito
wag
sa
nyo
atin?
hit. Wag nyo hit, oy.
Ayun na hit yan.
Huwag nyo patayin.
Doubles nga to. Doubles to. Tamel, mandita.
Ano meron?
Sa likod natin, ingat.
Yung Avalon Little Punch nasa wildcard side. Ayun, binam sila. Patay.
Nawala silang scout. Nabomb sila.
Doubles nga. Pasmash to. Wall.
Alangan natin ng isang battlement na mag-i-scout. Mag-i-stop ng bomb.
Midwest, boys. Midwest.
They're looking na. Looking sila.
Ngayon, nabedra ko.
Nice one. Ingat ha, looking sila.
Establish the guard.
Long.
Abong, ingat naman ang engage nila. Wala na tayong ma-early ka dyan eh.
Mag-back onto yung ano. Paseg,
Patay mo muna itong mga guards, boss Eggs. Engage ka sa guard.
Mag-engage dyan, boss.
Establish the guard. Engage on the guard. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the guard. Mia. 40% yung wall.
Ano ginagawa ng wildcards? Nandun sila.
Nagbaback sila. Baka sinechase nila yung ano, aba.
Oo. Okay.
Diba, enemy looking.
Okay na. GA to.
Indabolish nyo yung battlement to.
Okay, wait, ingat lang. Party to na, just come to melt. We're on west side of melt.
Looking sila.
Nice,
Mount-
thank you.
Mounted up yung wildcards nandito sa southeast side.
Ang hina ng anong kalaban, di pa ma-push in. Ano ba yan?
Ewan ko sa kanila.
Naka 37 lang din yung wildcards eh.
Engage mo yan, oh. Mawakbok.
Defense,
Looking sila. Looking. Defense. Patay sinabi.
Hindi.
Lish ko to.
Moving in na ulit yung wildcards. Moving in na sila.
Putangin na yung ano, yung nag-shield. Patayin nyo ito.
Yung nag-shield. DPS yung nag-shield. 8% ah. 7.
Ito, itong mage. Patayin nyo to. Nag-shield.
East side, daddy ah. Oh, no.
Wait lang.
Mage to, boss.
Pinapatay muna namin itong mage boss. Namibigay ng shield eh. May isa pa oh.
Papatayin. Pabong to. Eastside
Okay.
ready.
Pwede tayo mag-engage, oh.
Eastside.
Wait, may J.
2, 1. On my
Isa ba?
base.
Sige, go.
Come back now. Nice damage. Come back. Come back. Throw the jacket now at the back, defense. Throw the jacket at the back, defense. Tell me CD sa abot. Keep bong. Pamay space tayo.
Ready damage.
SH
Ready
ready.
boss, ready.
Binuksan ko yung gate sa
Wait lang. Engage. Dito ko sabihan niya ako pag nang-engage.
QSW is the guard.
Yeah. Don't come near. Katon. QSW is the guard, please. 40%.
Looking dito.
Looking.
Looking to us. Be careful.
Okay, sumilip ha.
Bonk. 40%, 35.
Bago yung guards, tumakbo dun.
20%. So, tell me if they engage, ha?
Pinag-engage ata sa kabila.
Decide, 3%.
Yung mage sa atin, nakaharap yung mage. Bubaba mo na kayo para umikot yung mage, guys. Para hindi sa atin marap yung mage. Para umikot yan.
Katon, you don't
Oy,
have
low ka na.
HP.
Low ka na dyan, Katon.
You don't have HP, just come back.
Let the mage go around.
Come south. We're gonna move south, ha? Northeast, pa.
Hanapin nyo muna yung high card, ha?
On the northeast. Pick up. Now come back. Come back. I need more DPS. Come back, ha? Very defensive. Come back northwest. Jacket now. Stay northwest. Left tongue side, okay? 10 seconds to get engaged.
DPS ready boss.
DPS ready, okay?
SH ready.
Mage is
SH
coming,
ready.
ha? Mage, ha? Mage.
East side. 5,
Ako.
east side, 4, 3, 2, 1. On east. Now come back. Come back now. Come back now. Come back west. They feel engaged. They engage on me. Nice one. Come back. Stabilize.
SH ready. SH
Bam.
ready.
Perma ready.
Nice.
East side now. 5, northeast 4, 3,
Yeah.
2, 1. Northeast again. Now come back. Nice delete. Come back. That's it, boys. Come back. Left tongue side. Come back. Don't stay there. Jacket again. 10 seconds we can engage, okay?
Cool down jacket.
Ready Perma.
Looking dito.
Defense. Don't die. No, nice one. East side now.
DPS ready boss.
DPS ready.
East, hold west. Hold west. They have defensive. East side ready now. Hold. East 5.
Basig. Hirap.
On east. Come back. They have mage. Come back now. Stabilize northwest. We're gonna need
Jacket on me.
Oy, low ka na.
northwest.
Atay.
Engage yung game, gago. Bobo.
Bobo